Let's go through how to set up your account on a phone. If you have an iPhone, so phones made by Apple, the process will be very similar to Android phones, which is what I have here. Android phones run the Android operating system, which is made by Google, and the G Suite is also made by Google, so it works nicely together. Android phones are phones that are made by companies like LG, Sony, and Samsung. The easiest way to do it on both phones, so iPhone or Android phone, is to go to your settings, go to General or something similar to General, it'll depend on your phone, go to Accounts and Sync, and add an account in the bottom right corner. Then I'll scroll down to where it says Google, click on that. It'll take a few seconds to check my phone information, and then I can enter my email address, which is right there, and then my password, accept, I don't need to set up payment info, so no thank you. And there we go. So now if I go to Gmail, or any email provider for that record, then I can just click on down here, and jays@skacl.ca is now set up and ready to go. So there are all my emails. Alternatively, I could have also went here and pressed add an account, and it would have led me to a similar setup email place, as you can see here. So now, since my account is on my phone, I no longer need to log into these apps individually. So I can go to Google Drive and go to my SKACL Google Drive, and everything will be there, which is shown right here. So my drive, team drives for squadrons, etc. If you have a Google Calendar, then it will automatically sync up with your phone. And even if you don't download Google Calendar on your phone, because it usually doesn't come pre-installed, your Google SKACL account will actually link up with the pre-installed calendar app on your phone, so there's no need for you to download that. And something interesting with Google Calendar is that if you get an email relating to a meeting or a travel information or something like that, so for example, confirmation ticket details for your next flight, Google will actually take that information and automatically put it into your calendar. So in some cases, there's no need for you to create a meeting or travel itinerary information into your calendar because Google does that automatically.